question is to enter a number and find out whether it is an even number or not. So what is an even number? So an even number is a number where you have to find out the sum of its digits. Sum of its digits, for example, I have taken 126 and the digits are 1 plus 2 plus 6. 1, 2 and 6 are the digits, so sum of the digits. That means 1 plus 2 plus 6 and it is equal to 9. And that 126, it should be divided by the sum. That is the sum we got as 9. 9 is the sum we got and the number entered should be divided by the sum. And it should be clearly divisible. So we are getting the answer 14 and it is clearly divisible. So these kind of numbers are called even number. Even number. So very clearly the definition and the example is given in the top. So you need the common lines. Common lines are very clear. And you need some clearing of variables. So these are the variables I need to execute the program. So I am going to enter a number. Enter any number. N is equal to sc dot next int. So n we are given that the number is entered is, for example, 126. Okay, and then we are going to store the same number in another variable. So n we have got 126 and that the same n will be initialized to m. So m will have the value 126. So please write it in the copy when you check in the desktop. Okay, so m will become 126 now. You can write in the copy later on. Now we are going to calculate the sum of each digit, that is 1 plus 2 plus 6, and we are going to use a do while loop. Do while loop. So do starts from over here. You know there is no text expression, so it will still be after the body. R is reminder. R is going to be calculated. Reminder is going to be calculated using the modulus symbol. Using the modulus symbol, and you are going to get a reminder. You are going to get a reminder. And so 126 divided by 10, remainder is 6. Remainder is 6. R gets 6 in the rough column. In the rough column, you can write in the side of the copy. Now we are going to get the quotient. Q for quotient. So quotient you are going to get by using the slash symbol. Simple slash symbol. So again you have to divide it by 10 and to divide it by 10. So 126 divided by 10. The quotient will be 1, 2. That is 12. 12 will be the quotient. Now sum of each digit is so sum is already declared as 0 over here in the declaring of digits, and R you got as 6. So 0 plus 6 sum is 6 in the rough column. Write it down in the rough column so that you remember what you have got in R reminder, what you got in Q quotient, and how much you got in sum. Now n is equal to Q. So Q we have already calculated, we got 12 and that 12 will be stored in the variable n. So n becomes 12 now. So this is the closing of the do while loop, and there is a test condition over here. So n is 12 now. N is 12 now. So 12 is not equal to 0. 12 is not equal to 0. It is true. So if it is true, we will go back to the do loop. We'll go to the do loop. Again, it will enter the body without any test condition, and it will calculate the remainder. Then it will calculate the quotient. So first when it's calculating the remainder, so this time n is 12. So 12 divided by 10 to get the remainder because of the modulus symbol. So you will be getting R as 2. Quotient. Quotient will be getting 12 divided by 10. Quotient will be 1. So sum. Sum was 6 last time. Now R you got as 2. So 6 plus 2, 8. So sum is 8 in the rough column now. So n is equal to Q. Quotient you got as 1. So that 1 will be given to n. N is 1 now. And in the while condition, do while loop, in the while condition will check whether n is not equal to 0. So n is 1 now. 1 is not equal to 0. True. So it will go to do loop again. So again it is going to check for the remainder. So 1 will be divided by 10. So remainder you are going to get is 1.
तुम बताना दास
So
सर
1 divided by 10,
मैं यहाँ पे
1 divided by 10 as you do in the rough column. So 10 into 0, 0. So that 0
हाँ दास
you
सर ज्वाइन
write
कर
below
चुके
1. 1
ओके
minus
फाइन
0, 1 is the
बॉस
remainder.
वेलकम टू
So R gets 1
कलिंगा
in the
टीम
remainder, right in the rough column. And
मैं
quotient.
अपना
You
स्लाइड
got
थोड़ा
0.
कम कर रहा बंद
You
कर
have
रहा
10
हूँ
into 0
दास
is
सर
0. That
के
0
मुंह से
if you
हम लोग
multiply
सुनना
10
चाहिए
into
कुछ
0,
बातें
that is a
मैं
quotient.
आपको बताता हूँ दास सर
Quotient you are
वेरी
getting
वेरी
as 0.
लार्ज मतलब
So sum now,
बहुत
last time
बड़ा
sum was
एक्सपीरियंस
8.
लेके
This time remainder is
मैंने
1.
हम सहित
So 8
जॉइन
plus 1,
करछंती
9.
हमारे साथ
8
हैं
plus 1 is
दास सर
9.
एडीसी दास सर
8 plus
बहुत
1
बड़े
is
बहुत
9.
जगह
So 1 plus
पूरा
2 plus 6
ये
is
जो
9 over here.
एजेंसी पर्सन
And
वो जानते
Q
हैं
is
कैसे काम किया
0
जाता है वो
and will
जानते
be
हैं
given as
कैसे
0.
करने से हम लोग अच्छा
So
इनकम
we'll
कराएंगे
check
मेरा
in the
जो
while condition,
पीएफए वाई लोग अच्छा इनकम के
expression,
तो हम लोग
and
आज
not equal to
बहुत
0.
खुशी के लास्ट
0
टाइम
is
भी
not
दास
equal
सर
to
हमारे
0,
साथ ज्वाइन करने
false.
जा रहे थे लेकिन
As it is false,
कोई अर्जेंसी
it
की
will
वजह से वो
not
ज्वाइन नहीं कर पा
continue
रहे
to
थे
the loop.
एनीवे
Will not go back to the do loop.
लेट्स वेलकम
It will go to
फ्रेंड्स
the
बिग
next
राउंड
line.
ऑफ एप्लॉज
Now it
बहुत
says
जोर
checking
तक
very
तालियों के
clear,
साथ
saying
वेलकम
checking
टू
for the
दास सर
even
को
number.
कीजिएगा
By dividing. By dividing is dividing by the sum of the digits. Sum of the digits you got is 9. So we are going to divide m. And why m? Because that m we have got it from here.
Actually, thank you so much.
126. I told you to write in the copy.
बहुत
So
धन्यवाद सब
that
लोगों
m
के लिए
126 divided by
मेरा हिंदी
sum.
उतना अच्छा नहीं है
Sum
मैं
is
पहले
9
भी
in the rough column.
बोल रहा हूँ
In the copy I have written.
कि
So
उड़िया
that's
तो
14.
मालूम है ही नहीं
So
बंगाली भी मालूम नहीं
126 divided by
है
9.
मेरा
The
हिंदी
answer
भी
is
उतना
14.
अच्छा नहीं है लेकिन
So
फिर
it
भी
is
मैं कोशिश
clearly
तो करेगा
divisible by
हिंदी में
the
बात
sum
करने
of
के लिए
its digits. So this kind
अभी
of
मैं
number
शुभकांत से
are
बात
called
करूंगा या
even number.
जीवन से बात
So I will
करता
check.
हूँ या कोई
So
भी
R
तमाल या
is
जिन लोगों
remainder.
से बात करता हूँ मैं
Quotient is
तो मेरा हिंदी
14
थोड़ा अच्छा रहता है
because
लेकिन
this is the
बड़ा
modulus symbol
क्राउड के
you
सामने
use.
आके
So
बात करना
when
है
you are
बात
dividing
करना है तो
126 by the
थोड़ा
sum,
बहुत
you got
कॉन्फिडेंस में प्रॉब्लम
remainder as
होता है
0.
थोड़ा
And
बहुत
quotient
दास
as
सर एक्चुअली
14
मुंबई में
clearly
दिल्ली में थे
divisible.
तो दास सर
So that R is 0
ऑलमोस्ट सही है हम लोग जैसे
because it's
हिंदी
clearly
बोलते हैं
divisible.
उड़ीसा में दास सर उससे
So
बढ़िया बोलते
if
हैं
R is equal to
तो
equal to
anyway,
0,
आप लोगों को
it is
कोई
checking the
ऐसा है हाँ,
if condition.
ऐसा है कि
So R
मैं
is 0, 0 is
मुंबई
equal to
में
0,
काम
it is
किया
comparing. So it is true, it is
1996
true
से
must go to
लेकर
the next line.
2006
So
10
we'll
साल
say
उधर काम
system
किया
dot
है
println
उसके वजह से
M
बहुत हिंदी मुझे मालूम है लेकिन
126 is a
2007
even
के बाद
number.
साउथ में ही
And
काम
if you
किया
try
है
some other number
केरला में
other than
और तमिलनाडु में
126,
और भी
it may
साउथ
not
का
be
जोन
clearly
है करके
divisible. So it will
लेकिन
tell
बहुत
you
खुशी हुई
that
मेरे
particular number is
कि आप
not
लोगों के
an even number.
साथ
I'll show you in the
आज के दिन में
output
थोड़ा
also.
10-15 मिनट आपका
So first you are going to compile over here. You can see the compile on the top
अम,
of the screen.
बहुत
I'll give you a click
धन्यवाद
on
सब
compile.
जो
So here
आज
you
तक
see at the
में
bottom of the screen it says
सपोर्ट
no
किया जा
syntax
रहा है
error.
मतलब
That means there is no
करता रहा
error in
हूँ
the
आप
program.
लोग
So
बहुत सारे लोग
we'll
मंथ ऑन मंथ
see the
हम
output
लोगों
now.
को सपोर्ट किया है बहुत धन्यवाद आप लोगों को और आगे भी सपोर्ट रहेंगे वो मेरा उम्मीद है
It says very clearly enter any
आज का
number.
दिन बाहर
So
का माहौल थोड़ा
126.
अच्छा नहीं
Enter.
है लोगों
See,
को मालूम है
126 is a
आप लोग
even
सब
number.
और आप
We'll try with some other
फैमिली
number.
स्वस्थ है और फैमिलीज ठीक है वो मैं प्रार्थना करता हूँ ये मौके पे
वीडियो बोल कर समझना प्लीज
Entry
Video
number
sound
is
पे off
says
कर
let us say again
आपके समझते प्लीज वीडियो टिक ऑफ कर देते सो दैट
423.
क्लियरली
423 is also an even
अमर
number
भाई
because 4 plus 2 plus
हाँ।
3, 4
तो
plus 2,
आप-
6, 6 plus 3, 9. 423
तो आप
divided
लोग
by 9.
स्वस्थ है
Doesn't
और
need to- it's clearly divisible.
ये जो बीमारी अभी फैल
We'll
रहा है
check for some of
उसमें
the
आप
number.
और आपका फैमिली स्वस्थ है और कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है वो मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ प्रार्थना कर रहा हूँ और
So it
जैसे
says
मैंने
enter any
बताया कि
number.
उड़ीसा का
This
जो
time I
रीजन
given
है
127.
हमारा कंपनी का प्रीमियर
127
रीजन
is not
सबसे
an
अच्छा
even
रीजन है
number.
वन ऑफ द
Because it
बेस्ट
is
रीजन
not
है
clearly
हमारा
divisible by the
और
sum of its digit. You
मंथ
can
ऑन
check in
मंथ
your
और ईयर ऑन
copy.
ईयर
You can check in your
बहुत काम किया है
rough
तो ये
column
मौके पे
copy.
हमारा जो टेरिटरी मैनेजर से